Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the GH-100 Microsoft GitHub Administration exam. If you're aiming to validate your skills managing GitHub environments, this is the exact hurdle you've got to clear.
But here's the reality check. A staggering 50% of candidates fail this exam on their first try. And honestly, it's usually not because they lack the technical knowledge. It's the test anxiety. It's the sheer psychological pressure of the testing environment itself that really trips people up.
So, here is our roadmap to help you beat those odds. The exam challenge, customizing practice setup, simulator tools, real exam simulation, a question walkthrough, and your path to certification.
Section 1. The Exam Challenge.
Moving right along to Section 2, customizing practice setup.
To build that rock-solid confidence, you need a practice space that adapts to you. The simulator lets you meticulously tailor your sessions. You can tweak the duration from a quick 10-minute sprint all the way to a full 120-minute marathon. You can adjust the passing score anywhere from 30 to 80% and pick exactly how many questions you want to tackle, from 10 up to 64.
Section 3. Simulator Tools.
You've basically got two core phases for studying here. First is learning mode. This is fantastic for immediate comprehension because it gives you instant feedback with the correct answers displayed right away. Then, when you're feeling ready, switch to Take Exam mode. This drops the safety net and tests your endurance against the clock, totally simulating the high-pressure environment of the real testing center. Plus, it has some really smart features. Auto scroll saves you a ton of clicking and vertical navigation time. Search and filter let you laser target specific topics. And there's a companion mobile app so you can squeeze in study sessions literally anywhere.
Section 4. Real Exam Simulation.
When it's time for the real deal, you have to condition your brain for stamina. The actual GH-100 exam is a total marathon. It demands exactly 120 minutes, a strict 80% passing score, and throws exactly 64 technical questions your way.
Section 5. Question Walkthrough. Let's look at a demo question straight from the source material, formatted exactly as a multiple-choice question you'd see on the test.
When comparing a partner identity provider integration with a non-partner identity management solution for GitHub Enterprise Managed Users, which statement is correct?
A. Non-partner uses OIDC for authentication. B. Non-partner requires manual configuration of SAML 2.0 details. C. Partner supports fewer GitHub-supported authentication methods. D. Partner relies on the partner IDP to support the application.
Correct answer, B. And here is exactly why. Partner integrations give you pre-built established compatibility. Non-partner solutions require manual SAML 2.0 setup for trust and authentication. Also, remember that OIDC is not used for non-partner integrations.
Section 6. Path to certification.
Keep in mind, this rigorous simulated testing approach isn't just for the GH-100. It's a proven strategy across a wide range of highly demanding Microsoft certifications, like the Azure Administrator AZ-104, Endpoint Administrator MD-102, GitHub Actions GH-200, and Power Platform PL-200.
As the source material says perfectly, the best way to learn is by doing. You have to get in the trenches to conquer that test anxiety. To do that, I highly recommend using easyquiz.com for your exam preparation. Definitely check out both their online web simulator and their mobile app to get yourself fully prepped. So the only question left is, are you going to let the exam format defeat you, or are you ready to master the simulation?